Hi, my name's Dustin, Master Technician here at Tipton Ford in Lincoln, here to talk to you a little bit more about batteries. Now, summer's coming and so is the heat, and with the heat comes a lot of no starts. And more times than not, we find that a bad battery will be the cause of a no start condition. And they often show signs externally of the battery going out. And this truck makes a great example. So we can see corrosion on the battery terminals. You can even see liquid on top of the battery, which means the battery is leaking. Sometimes you can even see the battery swelling and it'll grow. All of these are signs of a battery going out really quick. Sometimes a battery will not, however, show signs, which requires an inductance test, which we have here and we do for free with all of our multi-point inspections. If you have any questions, we're just a call or click away at tiptonford.com.
Thank you for watching. You can view our previous videos by clicking in the bottom right, where we give out Tipton tips for vehicle maintenance and allow our viewers to get to know our team members. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and bell to stay notified for our next videos.